Can Mommy put on lipstick? Do you want some? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today my 2-year-old will be joining us, so if you see her throughout the video, don't say I didn't warn you. So today's Throwback Palette Thursday, which if no one knows and is new to my channel and new to this series, I take older palettes, collabs, holiday palettes, limited editions, older palettes, like older than like 3 months, beauty box subscription palettes, basically anything that is older than 3 months. And I use those every Thursday, and I use those palettes to create looks, hopefully to inspire you to bring yours out of your collection and use it again. So, if you guys want to see this look, then just keep watching. Also, if you want to see my 2-year-old, then just keep watching. She's kind of adorable sometimes, kind of. The Tarteist Pro palette is what we are going to be using for today's collab, and if you guys have not seen this palette, it is beautiful. It's going upside down because my mirror is filthy, but here we go. So this is the palette. It has 4 shimmers. Wrong direction. It has 4 shimmers and 4 rows of mattes that you can coincide with each of those shimmers, or you can break it up like I did and create your own beautiful look. And I think this palette is perfect for fall. So, oh, and I did not use a dark lip. What is happening? I know, right? I know. It's okay. But if you want to see this, then just keep watching. Make sure to like this if you like this. Comment. Boo! If you comment if you guys also love this palette, and if you guys have created a look, I would love to see that if you have a video on it. And also subscribe so you can see this series every Thursday, and maybe my 2-year-old. Alright, well, here we go. Alright, I look really crazy right now, excuse that, but alright, this is upside down, but we're actually going to be starting off with Mod, which is that brightest color in the palette for like the purple pink side. So we're going to do that all over the transition. Now I am going in with No Filter, which is this... Are you okay? Which is this really pretty purple right here.
Yummy juice.
Yummy juice. And I am taking this right below that transition color. Are you a puppy? You came here for a makeup tutorial and you got my 2-year-old. Congratulations. Are you a puppy? Alright, you really want to blend this as you go because this is going to be getting very smoky. So if I cut to a part and it's like super blended and you're like, whoa, when did that happen? It's because I edited out like 40 minutes of blending. So just blend. Alright, now I'm going to soften up this top line here with Chic, which is this kind of soft pink. Now I am going in with Drama, which is this kind of maroon color. What? And we're going to be creating shadowing on the inner, outer, and just slightly in the crease. Now to kind of make a nice clean connection, I'm just going to go ahead and line my lower lash line with that first color we used, Mod. And then I'm going to deepen it up with No Filter and then Drama. Now I'm just gonna blend in a little bit more of this mod color right here to kind of brighten that back up, and you know, just get some more blending in there. So blend, blend, blend until you find that this is nice and flawless. So now we're going to be going in with that center shade, and that is Trendy. Can you tell which color I love the most in this palette? Trendy. I love this color. So we're going to be going in with this, and I'm going to spray it just a tiny bit with some Fix Plus to make it really intense there and just in the center. I'm not bringing this all out into that empty space because we're actually going to go in with minks around it very lightly and just kind of, you know, create a nice shimmery gradient, I say that a lot, gradient from Trendy into that kind of purpley base. So once I have this laid down into kind of a halo effect, I kind of spread it out more on the bottom though because of my eye shape. Now I'm going in with Minx, which is this color, and I'm going to keep that on my brush because we're going to kind of blend it into each other. And I'm just softly patting this on the remaining empty space to blend it. And now for the lower lash line, I'm just gonna line it all with Minx. Alright, I'm gonna add some mascara and lashes, and then we will come back to the blush and the highlighter and the lipstick. My 2-year-old wanted to join us. She's very fussy right now. Hi! You gonna let mommy finish putting on her makeup? Yes? Yes? Yes, you are? If you're wondering where she got her strawberry blonde hair from, say it's from Mima. Yes. And she has such beautiful hair. Say, I'm beautiful. Say, I'm beautiful. Say, it's a beautiful day. Maybe she'll let me do my makeup. Alright, we're going to do our blush real quick. Let's do our blush. Light blush. Alright, for blush today, I'm going to be using the Pro HD Makeup Revolution kit. And this is like highlighters and or blush toppers, and I am actually going in with, bless you baby, bless you, I'm actually going in with Lush, which is this color right here. I feel like this is just going to add a nice kiss of color to the cheeks. Whoa. You're not going to fall. Look, get behind mommy. You're good. Okay. Now I'm going in with the Pixi by Petra Glowy Gossamer Duo in Delicate Dew. Car! And we're going to be doing highlighter with this pink shade right here, which I think is really pretty. Alright. Finally, we're gonna do lips. And this is the Loreal Le Chocolat in Candyman. P.S. This stuff does not come off. Ever. Once you put this on, you're gonna end up being buried in this lipstick because it will never come off your lips. It smells like chocolate. Can Mommy put on lipstick? Do you want some? Mwah. Mwah. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, well, that's it for this video. But that is Throwback Palette Thursday using the Tarte Tarteist Pro. Sorry, this is dirty. It's well loved. And if you guys like this, then like it, give it a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe and like if you enjoy 2-year-olds ruining makeup videos. Not really, she didn't ruin it. Boo! Boo! And boo! And I will see you guys next Thursday. Oddly enough, my 2-year-old does not want to say bye. So, do you want to say bye? No. Alright. Bye! I'll see you guys next Thursday. We are going to be starting off with... That's a great question, because it's upside down.
Wipey.
Wipey? Yum, 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 yum. Uh-oh. What happened? Alright, so now I'm going in with the, not bronzer. This is the Loreal. Oh, gross, she got it wet. Congratulations! Really? Bye! Comment if you, have done it.